Hello bodyfangs, welcome to the bush. Guys, South Africa is bloody dangerous. Can you see that? Doesn't matter if you're in the middle of a bushes over here, close to the water there, or just in bloody traffic. Yeah, you can't go to like a stroompie in the middle of Hoedspruit over there on a little canoe. Do you think you're going to go tickle a sea cow? Yeah, a hippopotamus, like this ook. Yeah, or be like Willie Viljoen there. Just relocating a rhinoceros into the wild over there. Die ding is bloody angry, okay. It's gonna come after you and poke you with its groot horing there. And maybe ruin your little Hilux bakkie. So if you really want to survive South Africa, traffic, bush of by die water, you need to get yourself a wild dog bumper. Like Willie. Nice one, Willie. Okay, thanks.